So it has to start with us allowing ourselves to feel what we feel. So allowing ourselves to feel whatever it is that we feel, allowing ourselves to be however we are, allowing ourselves to observe our wounds and accept, okay, I have wounds, I have insecurities, I feel vulnerability, I feel scared of this, I feel insecure about that. And it's just you with you. First of all, you accepting that for yourself. And when you come to that, that is the beginning of you stepping in your power. That's the beginning of you getting a feeling of your power, because that's where your power is. The power of a woman is in her sensitivity, in her intuition, in her compassion, in her capacity to love. That's our power. But we cannot tap into it and we cannot use it in a healthy way when we ourselves are wounded, when we ourselves are carrying insecurities, and then we reacting to those insecurities. We are being triggered by our surroundings all the time. So if I'm triggered, then I'm not gonna exercise that power in a healthy way. I'm gonna react. I'm gonna get angry. I'm gonna push away. I'm gonna reject. I'm gonna go into silence, even when you don't want to. Even when you don't want to, those things just happen because they are controlling you. And that's when we need to heal. We need to heal. And what's coming back to that body, okay?